AutoCAD 2026 arrives with promises of speed, intelligence, and seamless collaboration. But does it deliver? In this investigative breakdown, we analyze the real impact of its new features, separating hype from tangible innovation. Let's dissect what's new, who benefits, and where Autodesk might be cutting corners. 1. Performance. Faster than ever? AutoCAD 2026 claims 11x faster 2D or 3D file opening and 4x quicker startup times for network stored DWGs. While these metrics sound impressive, real-world gains depend on hardware and network environments. Asynchronous raster loading. Images load in the background, reducing wait times for complex drawings. Fast shaded mode enhancements. New hidden and conceptual visual styles improve navigation in large 3D models. GPU text optimization. Better rendering for CJK and RTL languages, example, Arabic and Korean, using DirectX 12. Performance upgrades are significant but hardware dependent. Users with older systems may not see drastic improvements. 2. AI-driven workflows. Smart blocks take center stage. Autodesk AI is now deeply integrated, but its practicality varies. Smart blocks, search and convert. Text variations, convert variable text example. Room numbers into block attributes, automating repetitive tasks. Ribbon accessibility, previously command line only. BSRCH is now ribbon friendly. Smart blocks, detect and convert. Machine learning detection identifies architectural objects, doors, and toilets for block conversion but struggles with non-architectural geometry. Primary instance editing. Refined detection results by modifying the seed object. While powerful, detect and convert remains a tech preview with limited scope. Architects benefit most. Mechanical designers gain less. 3. Collaboration, cloud integration or lock-in. AutoCAD 2026 pushes hard on cloud-connected workflows, but not all users may welcome the shift. Connected support files, project-specific fonts, templates, and plot styles sync via Autodesk docs, reducing manual setup. Multi-user markups, simultaneous feedback via Autodesk docs with trace layers and shareable links. Activity insights, the What's Changed feature tracks edits between saves, though it's limited to AutoCAD users in local or LAN or cloud-stored files. Collaboration tools are robust, but tie users deeper into Autodesk's ecosystem. Teams on Google Drive or Dropbox miss out. 4. Under-the-hood tweaks, niche but notable. Center layer system variable. Set default layers for centerline/marks, a small but overdue win. GDI plot enhancement. Better Windows printer compatibility, though heavy plotters may not notice. Customer survey pop-up. Feedback prompts are closed. Useful for Autodesk, annoying for users. 5. The elephant in the room. Is this update worth it? Pros. AI efficiency. Smart block save hours on repetitive tasks. Cloud collaboration. Streamlined for Autodesk Docs users. Performance. A boon for large file workflows. Cons. ACC dependency. Many features, example, connected support files, require Autodesk Construction Cloud adoption. Half-baked AI. Detect and convert architectural bias, and tech preview status limit utility. Incremental updates. Little for non-ACC users beyond performance tweaks. Conclusion. Who should upgrade? AutoCAD 2026 shines for cloud-centric teams and architects leveraging AI-driven blocks. However, casual users or those avoiding Autodesk's ecosystem may find fewer reasons to jump. While performance gains are real, the update feels like a stepping stone toward a more AI-integrated future, one where Autodesk hopes to lock users into its platform. Final thought, if collaboration and automation are priorities, upgrade. For others, weigh the cost against marginal gains. Like, subscribe and hit the bell for unbiased CAD software analysis. Comment below, will you upgrade to AutoCAD 2026? Why or why not?